Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade, and this is the weekend edition. This is good through Sunday, February, 17th, 2019. And I am back. Thank you for your patience. Markets on Friday end the day in bullish territory with talks of China. But you'll notice here that 1% gains, but we're a little laggy here on the Nasdaq. It wasn't even up 0.5%. However, financials up more than 2%. Russell's up 1.6%. US dollar slightly lower. Crude oil up 2%. So we're at 11.7 on crude oil. Silver higher by 1%, gold slightly higher. VIX dropping, or dropped almost 8%. We are below 15, 14.9 on the fear. Fear is very, very low right now. Bitcoin is at positive 3,567 at the time of this video. And let's take a look here at the spiders. Spiders here. You'll notice that we had this big run. I put a buy signal back here December 26th, the day after Christmas, and we've just been going up. No sell signals yet. Up. But we do have some resistance areas on the spiders. You can see this area coming across, this area coming across. Those areas are going to be resistant. But you'll notice these trend lines that I have going on right here, those need to act as support. We need to stay above the 200-day moving average. If we start getting below the 200-day moving average in these areas of support, look for the 20-day moving average acting as support on a pullback. But this has been a very, very good run this last month or so, just going straight up. A lot of that has to do with the economy being as strong as it is. If you go here to the diamonds, this is the Dow 30. We put a buy on it on December 26th of last year, and we got up. We busted through a lot of this resistance. Then we pulled back, that resistance acting as support, and then we're bouncing higher, which is very, very nice. I'm going to go here. I'm going to drop a line. You'll notice, see this resistance. Last time we hit this level, it's precisely where we're at right now. We're right there at it. So that'll be interesting to see how Monday holds up at that resistance point. The Nasdaq daily, same thing. If I go here, we got an area of resistance right there. We're getting right next to it, but that's the 200-day moving average, this big red trend line, and that's resistance. That's where we're at right now, and because of that, we could be looking to drop. And if we do drop, that the trend line that I'll be looking at will be that trend line right there. Very important to me. So if we drop below that, then things could start to drop and get pretty hairy, guys, going into this next week. I really like small caps, though. This is the Russell's 2000. We had this nice uptrend, and then Thursday we broke over it, and then Friday, boom, we released over it on really nice volume. So, and we busted through this resistance. So usually this will lead the charge. Since we're busting through resistance there, we have a good chance of the rest of the markets following suit and busting through resistance also. We have these other areas of resistance that we'll have to contend with. You can see the numbers inside these pink boxes over here to the right. That will help you with that. You can always pause the video and write those numbers down. Financials are something that's really important to me, and today it did something fantastic, guys. This is huge. It broke a major trend line. So here, let me show you the importance of this trend line, just so we're all on the same page. You can draw the same trend line with me. This trend line gets started February 11th, 2016, okay? That's where it starts. The next major hit is October 24th, 2018, 2 years later. And then it broke down right here. It didn't act as resistance on January 18th, 2019, okay? And then it continues to act as resistance. This is January 25th. This is February 1st and February 4th. And then again on February 13th. However, today, Friday, February 15th, we broke over that trend line. Very good. This line doesn't need to be in there anymore. So that is fantastic. Really good to see. Crude oil. I have a buy on it back here February 4th. But do I want to put a sell on it? I think I'm going to. I'm going to sell crude oil now, guys. No, that was the US dollar. I'm sorry. US dollar. I got fuzzy brain. So US dollar had a buy. Now I'm going to put a sell on the US dollar. That should bode really well for the US stocks and commodities. And speaking of commodities, we're looking at the crude oil. I put a buy on this back December 21st. And I'm going to stay with my buy. Crude oil is looking very good. Silver, have a buy on it. No, I have a sell on it. Sell on it, down. But guess what? I'm changing that. Whoops. Come on, move it over. I'm changing that now to a buy. So I had a sell on January 31st. Now a buy on February 15th. Gold, same thing. I'm going to put a buy on gold. VIX, I have a sell on VIX back here on December 27th. And look at this, guys. It's been a long time since we've been this low. Let me explain to you how long that has been. The last time we were this low, it was October 2018. October 5th, 2018. Very, very, very low. That means there's no fear with a 6-month outlook. Bitcoin. I want to share something on Bitcoin just so you guys know what I'm doing. Bitcoin, I'm starting to buy it again, and I have a buy on it back here. I sit through a little bit, but as of today, matter of fact, I started buying more Bitcoin. If you guys haven't been watching, you have Indonesia now they've legalized as an official currency Bitcoin. That's huge. That's a big movement for a country to make. And then JP Morgan, if you guys watched the news yesterday, Thursday, you'll notice that they're jumping into the crypto market. It is here to stay. If you don't know anything about cryptocurrency, you'll want to, because the infrastructure of the blockchain is immensely strong and highly advanced in its technological abilities. That infrastructure is giving credence or giving importance or validity, that's the word I'm looking for cryptocurrency. So it's happening. So anyway, I'm just letting you know that I am buying now Bitcoin once again. And I've actually started today. So, all right, I'm on a long time. You guys probably noticed my voice, right? And my coughing. Here's the deal. I went to Atlanta. I was there for over the Super Bowl weekend. I was there on Media Row. It was fun. Bumped into some friends. If you guys know of Gary V. Vaynerchuk, I ran into him. Neat guy. First time he and I had a chance to meet. And Holyfield, Evander Holyfield. We were there. We were trying to meet up, and we couldn't make it happen. But we passed each other in the media row. So I got to chat with Chester, his business partner, and because he's racing to another interview at the time. Anyway, it was a great experience. However, I come back with full-fledged flu. Actually, everybody I went there with, we all came down with the flu. Flu lasted about 4 or 5 days. It was nasty. But then I had pneumonia. Pneumonia pile on top of that. It's a viral pneumonia. There's nothing you can do for it. You just got to let it run its course. And today is the first day I'm feeling halfway alive. So I'm doing the video. Last week I couldn't do it. I was just sick. And I knew that just talking to you guys here with my voice how it is, my lungs full of fluid, I'm not even going to cut these coughs out because this is just reality. This is where we're at. But, trading is it. Guys, right above me, there's a website called Grok Trade. If you haven't gone there yet, go there. There's some free webinars on trading education. Take the classes. If you're ready to jump in, just start making money like right now, you can take the paid classes. Those are at the top. And yeah, go there and see what it's all about. A lot of you guys stumbled on this video for the first time, and hey, welcome. Man, we got our subscribers are over 7,000 now on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Little secret: if you click the bell next to it, it'll alert you when my videos or Mark the Meerkat's video hits. It'll give you a little alert letting you know that it's there, so you'll be one of the first to to consume or to watch that content. But overall, I hope this was beneficial to you. So like it if you like it. Leave me a comment down in the comments. I always appreciate that. So we'll catch you guys later. Bye. Guys, last couple weeks, you've lost probably 8 to 10 times more in your portfolio than what an education from us would have cost you. Invest in yourself. There's no greater expense than being ignorant and what market tuition will cost you. Do yourself a favor, look us up for mentoring. It's 3 days. We have one coming up. Go to Grok Trade. There's top of Grok Trade. I'm not even going to show you the website. Go to groktrade.com. At the top, there's a button there for hedging. You can take the hedging course. That'll help you during this time, so you don't get your head handed to you. But if you want to make money in this volatility, if you're just don't want your head handed to you, then mentoring. Not here peddling it to you, but what just irks me to no end is individuals who think that autodidacticism, that's trying to learn something themselves, is the smart way to go. And they think that learning to trade is something that you can get yourself. I'm telling you, I thought I blew through 2 accounts until one day I woke up and thought, I can't do it myself. Don't let that be you. Don't let your money dry up. Don't lose money in the markets. Learn to be savvy. Kill it out there. Be a shark. Don't be bait fish. Be the person out there that's the smart one, that has a system in place. Trading is significant. It can be the best thing that's ever happened to you and your family. Or it could be one of the heartaches, one of the broken dreams of your tomorrow. But I'll pose this one question to you. If you go through our trading mentorship, if you're like, man, I'm in, I don't care what it costs because I'd rather put my money invested into education than lose it in the markets. If that is you, ask yourself, after you go, we give you all the tips, all the tricks, we give you everything. We pull out the stops for you and give you everything to reach your full potential in trading. We give it all to you. From this date, 1 year from now, where will you be? How will your life, how will it have changed? That question will tell you everything you need to know. GrokTrade.com. Check us out. Catch you guys later. We'll see ya.